after the decisions of the CAF panel to strive Senegal of the AFCON 2025 medal or trophy, an arbiter in the Court of Arbitration for Sports, Mr. Raymond Hack, has come openly to condemn the CAF's panel decision. He said it's incorrect, to award the winner of the 2025 AFCON tournament to Morocco. And I still think it's all well-meaning Africans, to come openly to condemn that decision taken by CAF. Me personally, understand, I think Senegal should go straight. They should head straight to the Court of Arbitration for Sports. That is the only place that they will get the correct judgment. Honestly, they should head straight to the Court of Arbitration for Sports. Now, let us go back to what happened in that match, in the finals of that tournament. I think it's just after 58 days. Yeah, after 58 days that the verdict in standard was given. Now, during the finals, there was a protest. There was a protest by the Senegalese players. You understand? They staged a walkout protest. They complained of the referee's decision, which to me, nobody can tell an individual how to express his or her anger. But they staged out a walkout protest. I mean, the Senegalese, which to me personally, I still condemn that act. Staging out a walkout protest in that, in the tournament that the world was watching. I think it didn't say good of Africa. I condemn that act from the Senegalese. But now, the verdict is passed by the CAF panel. I think also the verdict is wrong. I believe FIFA rule says that the referee has the final decision in any match. Final decision in standard in any particular match is taken by the referee. So whatever the referee says in a football match stands. After the match, the referee wrote his reports, which I believe CAF, saw the reports. The referee, complained and talked about the event, what happened, the protest that was staged by the Senegalese players, and the rest of them. So what I think what should have done by the panel is just to sanction Senegal, just give them heavy sanction, because that was a dent on the image of the African Cup of Nations. That was a big dent. You understand that protest, especially in the finals, the whole world were watching. So what I believe is they should have, done the best thing, that is just to give Senegal a heavy sanction, a very heavy sanction. The players who led the protest, who started the protest, whether the coach, the players, or the officials, just hit them with a heavy sanction, so that in subsequent games, in subsequent tournaments, other players or countries wouldn't even want to do that again. But for you to come up after 58 or 57 days, you said you are striping off the country that won it, that struggled, against all odds, fought in the field, the energy, the strength, against all odds, against the home farms, won the trophy. You said you are striping them off of the tournament, of the trophy. It is not a good one, and it's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to stand. Like I said, I condemn the Senegalese action, but a heavy sanction is better than all these things we are saying. Football is won on the pitch, not going to the court. There are some issues that should be resolved in the court, you understand? Not this kind of issue where we watched the match. There was no for future. Senegal never fulfilled that match.